Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and register Lebara SIM card online. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, simply access lebara.com on your browser. Make sure to access it according to the region you are in. Once you have accessed it, you will be able to see this kind of interface right over here. So if you simply would like to register your SIM on online, all you have to do is tap on this register a SIM. Once you have tapped on that option, it will simply access this kind of another information where you can see legal registration. All you have to do is simply enter the phone number that you wish to register. Once you have added the last digit 4 of your SIM card number, it will ask, right? Simply add in the last 4-digit number, and it even gives you a reference where you will be able to find your number to enter the code over there. Once you have done, you will be able to tap on this I have read for the terms and conditions, and tap on this continue. It will simply light up once you have entered the correct information on top, and you will be able to activate your SIM card. And you have to make sure to insert that SIM card on your device, so you will get a notification regarding that. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.